Very good morning, dear students. Hope you are safe and sound. Dear students, today I am going to restart the chapter India, Size and Location. And today I am going to describe two very important questions. So first question is, what are trans-Indian ocean routes and how do they help India in economic terms? So dear students, trans-Indian ocean routes refer to network of sea routes found in Indian Ocean. And this network of sea routes is very important for India because this network of sea route helps India to establish its close contact with eastern and western world. It means that these trans-Indian ocean routes help India to establish its close contact with East Asian countries like Indonesia, like Malaysia, and like Java, Sumatra, Brunei, and it also helps India to establish its close contact with Western countries like United States of America, like Europe, and like African countries and like South American countries. And this trans-Indian ocean routes is also very important because it helps India to reach up to Suez Canal. And Suez Canal is very important because it has reduced 700 kilometer distance between India and between Europe. So therefore, we can say that trans-Indian ocean routes is the backbone in Indian economy because through this route, India is goods and its services to different European and African and Asian countries. So this trans-Indian ocean routes is actually backbone of Indian economy and lifeline of Indian economy. And now I'm going to describe second question. So second question is, the central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is of a great significance. Why? So dear students, the central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is of a great significance. Why? Because India is located between East and West Asia. Therefore, India is termed as international highway of trade and commerce because many East Asian countries go to different Western countries through India. So India serves as a junction between East Asian countries and between Western countries. And relation with Strait of Malacca and Gibraltar is also very important for India because through Strait of Malacca, India established its close contact with United States of America and with Canada, and through Straits of Gibraltar, India also established its close contact with other European and with other American and South American countries. So these are few points that tells us that the central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is of a great significance. And you know that Indian Ocean is named after India only because of eminent position of India in Indian Ocean. And India has largest coastline in Indian Ocean, and you know it is approximately 7,500 kilometers long. So these two questions are very important. Therefore, I described it today. So complete your classwork and send me as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye for now.